Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right. Now we divide both sides by y and y squared plus 1. S I will put on the left. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to focus about this one. So this one we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over y and we have by plus c over y squared plus 1. Because this one we have the power number 2, that means on numerator they should reduce about by number 1, so number 2 minus number 1, so we have y, and later that we reduce the power of y into y to the power of number 0. That's why we have number 1, and we can simplify like this. Now we can do common denominator. So this one, it is missing about y squared plus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by y squared plus 1. About this one, it is missing about y. So we have by plus c multiplied by y. Now we need to expand this one. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of y. About y squared, we have a and b. About y, we have c. About the numbers, we have a with number 1, so we have 8. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have y squared, coefficient of y squared, that is about number 1. So a plus b equals to number 1. We don't have c, so c equals to number 0. 8 equals to negative number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So we can find 8 equals to negative number 1, b equals to number 2, c equals to number 0. And now we put a, b, c gone here. So the integration of this one, we have negative Ln of the absolute value of y. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of y squared plus 1, and I will put about c. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, we have Ln of the absolute value of x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.